Alright, so I just got this from FedEx. I just brought this my new RC truck. Here it's a Bigfoot. I wanted this one for a long time. I actually ordered one off of another website called, I forgot what it's called, but apparently it's a scam website, and my mom's gonna get refunded because I gave her the money, so I don't have a credit card just yet. But I paid for this. This cost about, I got this off the RC Superstore, and they're a very trustworthy site. So this cost about almost $300, but this is an RC truck that I wanted for a long time. I got this, this is the controls. And so I wanted this RC truck for the longest time. It comes, okay. I guess the stickers you gotta put on yourself, but this is the actual truck here. But I'm not gonna put it together today. Had my stepdad help me this weekend or something with this. But I just took it out. I don't feel like putting it together today. But it's got all the stuff, traxxas, all that in here. So I'm going to put this back all together. This back in the box. I'll just put this stuff like this. I don't feel like working on it today, but I'll do videos of it coming soon, probably within the next week or so. I also got a new hat as well. It's an NRA hat from the National Rifle Association. So I'll show you another side of it to just show. It's pretty cool. This is Bigfoot, the original monster truck, 4x4x4, Summit Racing, probably powered by Ford. That's another reason why I got this, because you know I like Ford, Firestone. Anyway, that's my new monster truck right there, Bigfoot.